Is that a mirror in your pocket? Because I can see myself in your pants. What's going on, everybody? It's Wicked Tom here. Today we're going to show a very simple short video on how to do bar end mirrors. The first thing you're going to do is remove your bar end caps. Don't worry about damaging these because you're not going to need them anymore. So I'm just going to take my knife. Don't cut yourself. Slide those out. Now different bars and different grips have different ends, but they all pretty much pull out pretty much the same. When you receive our mirrors, you're going to notice that they have this sleeve on here. That's just an adapter for a larger style bar. We don't need those, so we're going to remove those. And everything else for this install is just going to be with this 5mm Allen. All we're going to do is loosen this up. Now, as you can see, there's a tapered nut that goes into the bar first. And as you tighten this Allen screw, it's going to pull this nut through, expanding these sleeves. So make sure that this cone is headed towards the sleeve side. If this is backwards, it's not going to work all right. So we're just going to slide that in. If you wanted different orientations, you can have these down low or up high. So we're going to go ahead and just keep things simple. All you'd have to do is reverse this and flip it 180 degrees if you wanted it the opposite way. So as you tighten this down, you're going to feel it start to bite. There it goes. So just be patient. It'll get tight. When that's in here, we got a couple pinch bolts we can tighten up. Anytime you're using a pinch bolt, you don't want to over tighten it. Make your adjustments. Some of our bars, because we have 4 different styles of bars and we have a plethora of different style mirrors, you might have where when you run this mirror in, there's still going to be a little bit of play. So the easy solution, cheap and easy, I like to do it here, right? Take a piece of electrical tape and just run it around this collared end. And it doesn't have to be a whole lot. I mean, that's going to make all the difference from when you go back together and you tighten down this screw. It's going to make it nice and tight. We'll show you how to do that right now. A little loose is okay. Just so as you're riding, you hit something, it's going to move, and as you can make your adjustment up and down. Just like a regular car mirror. They're going to be a little loose. We're going to do our smaller mini mirrors right now. The process is the same for a lot of our different mirrors, but just understand we have different style bars, we have different style mirrors, so there's going to be a little bit of adjustment, but it's all really simple. Now for our 8 panel bars with the mini mirrors, what we're going to do is add this larger collar that is going to go over the smaller collar. It's not going to be one or the other. So we're going to put this collar in, and then this nut, and then we're going to put everything in together at once. So big collar, small collar, fit it in. Be patient with this, just spin it around till it gets a bite. It'll start expanding out. Righty tighty, your mom's Lucy. These mini mirrors do go on so nice. There we go. Now, this is okay, right? We're not done yet. There's a pinch bolt right here. We're gonna tighten that down. See, now it's not moving. We're gonna do the Bossman mirrors on our 8 hangers today. Step 1 for all these, just take that little, don't say butt plug, bar plug. All right, you're gonna see a bunch of different adapters. We're gonna use 2 of these, all right? So we're gonna run ours just down like we have on the other side. This collar right here, and then another collar. And you know the combination's right on these collars because this is gonna slip in there. So if you take that one on and get it to where it's snug, all right, but not super loose. So that's how you know we got this in the right order. This is the only tool we'll need for these particular mirrors. Make sure that our groove side is pointed in. As far as our mirrors go, these are one of the easier to install. despite them having the most components. Be patient with it. Work this thing up and down. Get it to where it'll finally start to bite. You'll feel it stop spinning. We're almost there. Now, if you tighten this up and you notice this is still loose, all right, we're not done yet. Don't think that you've done it wrong. We're actually going to leave this loose for right now until we get the mirror on. All right, so we're going to snug this up, make sure it's matching our other side. I'm going to leave it probably a little loose so when we sit on the bike, we can tighten everything down and get them to where we want it to be so we can actually see behind us. All right, so leave everything just a little loose. All right, so where it'll stay, sit on the bike, make your adjustments, and then tighten everything back down, and that's it. All right, do the same thing on the opposite side, and then you're ready to go. If you're thinking about buying a bike, you have a bike already, or you just want to see how difficult these installs are, they are not hard, guys. Take your time, be patient. If you have any issues, refer to the video, give us a call. We ended up running 3 different style bar end mirrors. Comment which one you like below, which one you want to run on your bike. If you have these on your bike already, what are some of the problems you have? And we'll see you on the road. The rear view mirror fell off my car a couple months ago, and I haven't replaced it. Haven't looked back since. Got asked to leave a haul of mirrors the other week. I said, don't worry, I'll see myself out.